Something pretty cool. It's like the birds. 2012. They're all over the place. All going under that tree. That house over there. November. Normal stuff. It's about, let's see here, 5:45. They're everywhere. See that? The birds. Don't go outside. Pretty cool. But they will crap on your head. That's all I can tell you. They're all over there getting the berries this time of year. Hey! See them all fly off. 12 gauge works better, but I really can't do that right now. So I'll show you that. It's the birds, man. It's the birds. They're all in there getting the berries off of the trees. They'll be all over my truck, all over my deck, all over my boat. Try one more time. Hey! There you go. And they're all over the place. They're everywhere. Uh-oh. That guy's coming to get me. Alright, we'll see ya.